Everyday life here with another quick video for you. 2020 Polaris 110 Outlaw air filter cleaning. Just all you gotta do, pop the seat off, pop these 4 brackets back, remove your cover. It says front, make sure it faces the front when you put it back on. Here you got your filter. I already cleaned it, but just showing you how. You got a little filter screen. You just make sure you want to wipe down your air box if it's got debris or dust and stuff in there. Clean that out. Try not to get anything in the intake there. Put your screen back on. Just like that. Take your filter. Just spray it down with some filter cleaner. I usually after that, and rinse it good, I put it in a bucket of soapy water. Just kind of work it out good, and then rinse it good with water, let it fully dry, and then spray it down with some filter oil. I still need to filter oil it, but this is it clean. Once it's oiled, pop it back in. And you should only have to oil the one side, the outer side. You don't have to do both sides, just the outer side. Pop that in there. Pop your cover back on. And go ahead and snap these covers back on. And that's it. You just did a filter cleaning for your Outlaw 110. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. Again, like, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you. Peace out.